You know, the strange character of this flash flood is, first it encroached up to 4 to 5 feet, and now he's bringing large size stones and flowing like as if they are wooden pieces, and it's filling it up. It's like filling it up, you know. Can you imagine? These are stones. Huge stones flowing across, going down to the rivers, which I can't show you because that's pretty far. I haven't seen anything like that before. And it is bringing heavy mud, which is helping this flash flood to take the stone like as if they are, you know, look this size of this stone. My God, it must be a couple of tons. Oh, I haven't seen this before. Just got stuck there now because the water flow has receded a bit, but it's still very naughty. Don't trust. It has built that sort of dam situation. I'll show you. Look that. Look. This was very flat. Now it's just like embankment. See, this stone has come from the top. God. Unbelievable. These are the stones which have just landed here now. God. This is very ruthless. Never try it. It can just crush you through the stones in seconds. Well, very, very strange thing we have seen today. And these are the stones which have come from the top. Maybe I can close in a bit. This is the stone which has come from that mountain with this flash flood. And you know, there's another stream which has just went past from just close by here, as you can see, and it has dug out. It's about 4 feet. This was a narrow beam. But the one I showed you earlier, and it's keep changing its courses. So you have to be very, very alert wherever you are, because any few big stone can change. If they get stuck, they change the course and you may get encircled. And especially with the car, then this is amazing. This is Allah's arrangements in the system, which makes us to believe that He's the only one, merciful as well as beneficial, and can create such things just in order to so that we can learn. Okay? There you are.